Hi, this is Sava, Technical Director of CallU, and today I'm going to talk to you about retrofitting our solutions into your beautifully finished apartment. See, you're sitting there thinking, I've just finished my property, or I don't plan to do any other major works, but I do want AC and I can't have a conventional system. How can these guys help me? We have carried out many hundreds of installations in beautifully finished homes where we come in and we have the skills, ability, technical know-how and the tricks of the trade in order to install our systems so discreetly so that the units are discreet and the pipework is all concealed over ceilings or within voids in walls with no disruption to either your floors, your walls, your ceilings, anything at all. We would literally come in, do the whole work, and we'd walk away and you'd be like, wow, how did these guys possibly do this? With on the very rare occasion, a minor little bit of making good, which could just involve a couple of hours worth of touch-up paint to a small penetration in a hallway ceiling or something like that. But this is very minor. And in terms of how long this will take, generally an installation of 1 to 3 rooms will take just a single day. So incredible. We'd come in early in the morning, 7:30, 8 o'clock, and by 4, 5, 6 o'clock in the evening, you've got a beautifully finished, installed air conditioning system, no disruption, your place is spotless. What more can you ask for? So if you'd like any more information on what I've just said, please do visit our website or give us a call on the number below. Thank you.